Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to my class. In today's video, we will learn about prime factorization. Okay, this is page number 50. Definition of prime factorization. A composite number can be shown as a product of prime factor. This is called prime factorization. So there are two methods of prime factorization. First method is factor 3 method and the second method is division method. Okay, prime factorization is having two methods. First method is factor 3 method and the second method is division method. Okay, here see here, remember box. Prime numbers have only two factors, one and the number itself. Okay, composite numbers have more than two factors. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, the number 1 is neither prime nor composite. The only even prime number is 2. The only even prime number is 2. Okay, so prime factorization having how many methods? Two methods. First is factor 3 method. Second is division method. Factor 3 method. In this method, we factorize a composite number until we will get all prime factors. Okay. So in this method, what we will do? We will factorize a composite numbers. Okay, until we get all prime factors. You already know what is prime number. Any number greater than 1 which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Examples also I have said in last class. The numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, so on. Okay, so they are prime numbers. Okay, next composite number. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Example, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 are the composite numbers. Okay, a number which has more than two factors. So in factor 3 method, we factorize a composite number until we get all prime factors. Let us factorize 48 using the factor 3 method. Okay, using the factor 3 method. 48. Okay, so we factorize a composite number until we get all prime factors. So let us factorize 48 using the factor 3 method. (24) into 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 2 for 24. 24 2s are 48. Next, we have to do the multiplication. In which table 40 is going? 24 2s are. Okay, 2 24s are. Okay, this is a sequence. So I have did 2 into 24, 24 into 2, you will get same 48. So 2 into 24 is 48. Now you have to check 24. So you have to be perfect in multiplication table. Okay, all of you? Yes. 12 2s are. Okay, 12 2s are 24. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So here 2 12s are 24. Okay, 2 12s are 24. Next, 12. In which table? 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12. Next, we have to check 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Now what we have to see here? I am doing right side only because 2 already is there. 2 1s are 2. Okay, so you have to check the right side number 24. So 2 12s are 24. Next to 12, 2 6 are 12. Next to 6 2 3s are 6. So 24 is a composite number. 24 is a composite 24 is composite. Next to 12 also composite number. 12 also composite number. 6 also composite number. 6 also composite number. Next, these 2 and these 3 are what? 2 and 3 are prime numbers. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Okay, here I am saying 2 also a prime. Why I am saying 2 also a prime? Because in remember box the only even prime number is 2. Here the only even prime number is 2. Yes or not? Yes. Here the only even prime number is 2. That's why I am considering this is even prime number. The only even prime number is 2. Okay. So here also only 2, 2, 2 are there. No. So this is even prime number. Okay. Don't be confused. This is an even prime number as we are using in factor 3 method. Okay. Normally prime numbers will start from, okay, you know no prime numbers. What are examples I have given? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. Okay. So these are the prime numbers. So on the more are prime numbers are there. Okay. So composite number definition already I have said to you. So this is a composite number. 24, 12, 6. These are the composite numbers. The number which has more than 2 factors. Okay, the number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. More than 2 factors. Yes or not? They are having more than 2 factors. So they are composite numbers. Okay. Yes. So this is a factor 3 method. In the next class I am going to explain the division method. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.